Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the .NET version in CMD or the .NET Framework version. All right. In here in your CMD, just type in dir space %win dir % backslash Microsoft.NET backslash framework and space / AD. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter. And as you can see here, we are now on the directory of C, Windows, Microsoft.NET, and framework. Right here at the top is the oldest version of your framework. And as you can see here at the very bottom, you have the latest one. All right. Version 4.0 right here, 30319. And that's basically how you check .NET Framework or the .NET Framework version using CMD. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.